In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized music track using Suno AI in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned music producer or just someone who loves to experiment with new sounds, this tutorial is going to be perfect for you. Suno AI offers a unique platform where you can effortlessly blend your voice with auto-generated music to produce something truly special. To get started, you'll want to log into your Suno AI account. This will take you to the main dashboard filled with a variety of options to explore. Now, I know that diving into a new technology can sometimes feel overwhelming, but don't worry. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. Once you're in, direct your attention to the different features offered. What we want today is the music generator that supports voice inputs. Locating this option is crucial because it's the key to integrating your own personal touch into the AI-generated music. Selecting this feature will open up a new window where the magic really starts to happen. The next step is to either record your voice or upload a vocal sample you might already have. If you choose to record directly, make sure you're in a quiet environment to capture the best quality sound. This will help the AI in its processing and integration stages, ultimately giving you a more polished end result. Alternatively, if you have a pre-recorded sample that you're excited to work with, go ahead and upload it using the simple drag and drop feature. Once your vocal input is ready, it's time to let Suno AI do what it does best. The AI will work to seamlessly integrate and harmonize your voice with its generated music tracks. This process might take a moment, but what's fascinating is how Suno AI uses advanced algorithms to blend your unique sound with well-crafted musical compositions, creating a harmonious and balanced track. After the integration is complete, you will have an opportunity to listen to this newly generated masterpiece. But we're not done yet. The next step is to move into the editing phase. Whether you need to tweak the volume levels, add effects, or adjust the pacing, Suno AI provides you with a range of tools to refine your track to perfection. Taking a little time here to make those adjustments can really elevate your music to the next level. Finally, once you're happy with the way everything sounds, remember to save your personalized track. Saving your project within Suno AI not only keeps your work secure, but also allows you to revisit and modify it anytime you wish. And there you have it, a beautifully personalized music track ready to share with friends, family, or even the world. Enjoy the creative journey.